The 2022 Enclave SUV is available with just one engine. The naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 boasts sufficient outputs of 310 horsepower and 266 pounds-ft of torque. Regardless of trim, all models receive a 9-speed automatic gearbox which sends the power to the front or all four wheels, depending on the chosen configuration. Buick doesn't specify top speed or acceleration figures, but independent testing shows the Enclave can reach 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds. In the grand scheme of things, outright performance is of little importance to the Enclave's target market. Still, 310 horsepower is more than enough to propel the SUV along at a decent rate of speed. If you require the Enclave to lug heavy items around, you'll be pleased to know the Buick has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds when equipped with the $650 trailering package. This bests the XC90's rating of 4,000 pounds and beats the Acura MDX's 3,500 pounds figure, although, when equipped with AUD, the Japanese rival can also tow 5,000 pounds. The 2022 facelift has breathed new life into the Enclave. Now sporting a redesigned front end, the demure SUV looks classier than ever before, courtesy of slimmer headlights, a revised grille, and a new hood. Fresh wheel designs spruce up the side profile, while round back, you'll find unique Evonik LED taillights and chrome liftgate garnish. Compared to the anonymous 2021 model, it's a big improvement. LED headlights and DRLs are standard across the range, but the Avenir is privy to Evonik LEDs. Essence and premium trims receive 18 inches wheels as standard, but larger wheels are available at an extra cost. Naturally, the Avenir receives 20 inches items. It's also the only model to receive a power moonroof as standard, although Essence and premium buyers can elect to specify this luxury. Interestingly, only the base Essence is available with the Sport Touring package, which gives the large SUV a slightly sporty look, courtesy of the 20 inches machine-faced wheels and unique badging. Along with sharper exterior styling, Buick has also taken the opportunity to revamp the interior for the new model year. Step inside the sizable cabin and you'll be greeted by a new steering wheel and reworked center console. Some won't take a liking to the clumsy push-button shifter, though. Once seated, you'll appreciate the more supportive pews. The automaker introduced new trim choices and has enhanced the seat foam, too. The Avenir gets a few unique touches which include model-specific interior elements. While premium feeling, the Enclave can't quite match the MDX or XC90 in terms of perceived quality, but does, at least, feel solid. The new Buick Enclave can't be faulted in terms of passenger room, though. The interior is commodious and offers space for up to 7 people. Equally impressive are the standard specs. Even the base Essence ships standard with 7 airbags, power adjustment for the front seats, a heated steering wheel, and leather upholstery.